Six Sigma Yellow Belt, Real-World Uses. A Six Sigma Yellow Belt holder knows the basics of Six Sigma. This includes DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Yellow belts play a critical support role in Six Sigma projects. While they may not lead initiatives, they work with green and black belts. Real-world applications of Six Sigma Yellow Belt. Manufacturing efficiency. In manufacturing, efficiency and quality control are vital. Yellow belt professionals help by identifying bottlenecks. Yellow belts use tools like process maps. They find inefficiencies in production lines, such as wasteful steps or downtime. Reducing waste. Yellow belts use lean principles to cut waste in manufacturing. This includes time, materials, and energy. They might find that some raw materials are overordered. This causes storage issues and spoilage. Healthcare process improvement. Healthcare systems often have inefficiencies, from patient wait times to poor inventory management. Yellow belts are pivotal in driving improvements such as streamlining patient flow. Mapping patient journeys can reveal delays or redundancies. Yellow belts aim to reduce patient wait times. They also ensure smoother transitions between departments. Retail and e-commerce optimization. In retail and e-commerce, customer experience and efficiency are key. Yellow belts make an impact by enhancing order fulfillment. Yellow belts analyze shipping data to fix bottlenecks. This will improve delivery times. Financial services efficiency. The financial services sector has many repetitive tasks and high transaction volumes. So, it is ripe for Six Sigma improvements. Yellow belts contribute by reducing processing times. Yellow belts analyze workflows. They aim to cut the time for loan approvals, account openings, and claims processing. IT and software development. In IT and software development, agility and quality are crucial. Yellow belts play a vital role by improving software testing. Yellow belts cut errors by analyzing bug reports and streamlining tests. Enhancing project management. Yellow belts use tools like SIPO diagrams. They ensure that software projects meet customer requirements efficiently. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification is not just theoretical. It's a practical toolkit for driving change across industries. From manufacturing and healthcare to retail and IT, yellow belts are making a real impact.